So this is number 3, and this is number 2. Number 2 is still loose, and it's not too bad actually. There's some oil. Number 3 is getting there, becoming dry. We'll have tremendous satisfaction cleaning these things. Whoever gonna clean it gonna have tremendous satisfaction. So not gonna use these rings. Look at this. It's completely dirty and dry. No oil came here. And these are the bottom ones, which are coming out. They're actually moving, so not that bad. Look at this. Oh, nice and dry. So you can dip it in cleaning agent like fuel injector cleaner, carb cleaner, as I said, or just use the carb cleaner as we have been doing for a while now. And spray it a little bit. Also that sleeve, because that must be flexible. Don't forget to oil it. Don't forget to oil it before you install it, okay? This carb cleaner, you see now it's moving nice. It was all kind of seized up. It was not seized, but it was kind of not smooth. So you're gonna do at the other one too. Just and just like before, a little bit for the record. Of course, coming. Very satisfactory. Look. This is what happens when you don't change your engine oil properly. It's very important to change the engine oil regularly. 5,000 miles. Synthetic oil maybe a little more, 8,000 miles. But not more than that. This one will not go in this one. It's not fully clean yet. I can see that it's still dry at the bottom. just top layer coming, so we need more spray and then more run, another run to clean. Look at that. Yeah. More. It's all clean now. That's how it looks like inside. The holes are all clean. I don't know if you can see. Like these holes are clogged due to not oil change. Proper oil change is extremely important. Now we'll put the rings back on and finish it up.